I have ideas. I can give a toy to my sister. I have a surprise for you. Let's go downstairs. Find the surprise. Where is it? I'll tell you. Where is it?
3, 2, 1.
Okay guys, let's open the surprise. Here's the box. So the box says there is, I don't know what that calls. This is a little unicorn, a little pillow, blanket, and some iPad, some food and a table, pizza, and the purple thing is for the pizza. So let's open this up. Ugh. It's so hard. Oh, I have a brother.
Wow.
Can you help me? Come on, give it to me. Wow. There's these little. Oh, they're so fluffy. It's cool. This one. This one. This is for the unicorn when she sleeps. She can put that on. Hey, I can do that. They're so cute. Pizza. Mini pizza. I can cook the pizza for you. Brother, stop. Nothing shameless. Shameless. So let's look at what do we do? The plan is this goes on the top. How do we do it? Okay, this is right. So you see, I did it. It's cool. Here's the girl. And here's the pillow. Here I did. He messed it up. So guys, let me show you what I did. I did all of this. Here's the doll. The doll stands right, see? Right there. I did the pizza's right. The whole thing is right. The doll, oops. Guys, look at how beautiful it is. It's the same like the box. Subscribe on the channel and I know it's nonsense.